Let's Get Baked, featuring my mom.
Hi.
We both honestly love making edibles, but baking them can be so difficult. And don't get me started on regulating the dosages. Oh my gosh.
Exactly. It can leave the entire house smelling very earthy.
And we tried the mason jar method, but that was too much of a hassle trying to shake the bottle a million times.
That's when you told me about Ardent FX. It activates, infuses, and bakes.
I saw it online and it had super cool reviews, so I'm very excited to try it.
Well, let's get baking, shall we? Okay, I put the magic ingredient inside.
So it looks like you only press the A1 button. This is so cool. It says here that the internal computer controls the whole process, and it shuts down automatically once it's done.
That's great. How long will this take, do you think?
It says it only takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes, and that includes the heat up and cool down process.
Perfect. Movie while we wait.
You read my mind.
Ooh.
Okay. So we decided to make double chocolate chip muffins, and we made the batter onto the camera, and we're gonna go ahead and put them in these cute little cups.
And I added the special ingredient.
Stop winking at them like that.
Don't be a hater.
Stop.
Jokes aside, this whole process has been so easy.
I know, right? And look at that, it's so cute.
It's so nice that we could bake with the FX as well.
Seriously, now we just wait for it to bake for 30 minutes.
While we're waiting, check this out.
Yes.
This carrying case is perfect. I can't wait to take the FX with us on our next trip.
Moment of truth.
Oh, they look so good. Cheers.
Delicious.
This is the real deal.
Thank you, Ardent, for making this miracle device.
Yes, thank you. Are you gonna finish that?
Get your own.